Hi there, thanks for visiting my channel. My name is Rekha and I'm the founder of Divine New York & Company, your online destination to shop, create, and learn. Now, I really love this quote by Albert Einstein: creativity is contagious, pass it on. And that's really what I hope to do through my videos, through my YouTube channel, and through my website. Now, did you know that engaging in creative activity actually activates a different part of your brain and helps you to develop different skill sets that will help you to improve your creative thinking, your design thinking, and will even impact you in your career in a positive way, even if you're in a non-creative field. And most importantly, one of the biggest benefits of creative activity is to relax and have fun. So through my videos, I will share with you fun how-to and DIY craft projects, and some of the techniques that you will learn include such things as silk painting, glass painting, designing with brush markers, fabric painting, and much more. And I'll also share with you my latest pattern and product launches. So join me in this creative journey and make sure that you subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you won't miss anything.